Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2019 Nissan Altima. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your turn signals. So let's start. Our turn signals is right here. The easiest way to get there is by removing this plastic cap on the bottom and get our hand inside and get the bulb out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take a screwdriver. So I find it easier just put the screwdriver in here. So get this one out first, then put here. Okay. Okay, so we got these out and get it up. Okay, see, very simple. That's how you get them out. Now you just put your hand inside and grab on the bulb. As you can see, the bulb is in here. Hand goes inside, grab on the bulb, spin it, pull it out, and here we go. So you can see it's very simple. To remove it, press here, press middle piece here, and well, you guys see it right here. Press here and pull off. As you can see, very simple. Get the replacement bulb at the parts store or dealer or online. Or they also it's possible that they're gonna come only with the top one, only the glass. So you just pull off the bulb and put it in the housing. So when we have the replacement one, just replace it, connect connectors, and then you have to find the place, get the bulb in. Okay, bulb goes in, and then we spin it. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna spin it like this. Chick. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna spin it the other way. Oop. Spin it till it's nice and secure. And okay, now let's put our cap in. So we just have to align clips and tap on them. That's it. As you can see, it's very simple. So yeah, this is the whole procedure. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.